Welcome to Don't Die Dumb, the channel where we dive deep into the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're exploring a mind-bending question that could change the way you think about reality. Are there infinite versions of you? That's right. We're talking about the multiverse theory, the idea that our universe might be just one of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of physics and possibly its own versions of you. If that sounds wild, buckle up. We're about to venture into the strange world of quantum mechanics, parallel realities, and the many possibilities of the multiverse. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the multiverse theory? In simple terms, it suggests that our universe, the one we live in with all its galaxies, stars, and planets, may not be the only one. Instead, there could be countless other universes out there, existing alongside our own but in a completely different reality. This concept challenges the traditional idea that the universe is everything that exists. Instead, it proposes that the universe we see is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, where other bubbles, other universes exist too. And in some of these universes, things could be wildly different. Imagine a universe where gravity works in reverse, or where stars never formed. But here's the craziest part. There could be versions of you living in some of these universes, making different choices, leading different lives. That's the multiverse theory in a nutshell, and it's as exciting as it is unsettling. But how did scientists even come up with this idea? It all starts with quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the behavior of tiny particles, like atoms and photons. In the quantum world, things get weird. One of the key ideas in quantum mechanics is that particles don't have a definite position or state until they're observed. Instead, they exist in a superposition of multiple states at once. To explain this, some scientists developed the many worlds interpretation. It suggests that every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits into multiple realities, with each reality representing a different outcome. Let's say you flip a coin. In our universe, you see the coin land on heads. But in another universe, the coin lands on tails. Both outcomes exist, but in separate, parallel universes. And this split happens constantly for every decision and quantum event, leading to an infinite number of universes. So, the multiverse theory isn't just science fiction, it's rooted in real physics, though it's still highly speculative. Now, the multiverse theory comes in many flavors. Let's explore a few of the main types. 1. The many worlds interpretation. This is the one we just talked about. Every quantum event creates a branching universe. In this view, there are infinite parallel universes, each containing different outcomes of events. Some are almost identical to our own, while others are radically different. Next, bubble universes. According to cosmic inflation theory, the universe expanded rapidly after the Big Bang, creating bubbles of space. Each bubble could be its own universe, with its own laws of physics. Some could be nearly identical to ours, while others could be completely alien. And then brain theory. Based on string theory, this idea suggests that our universe is just one of many brains floating in higher dimensional space. Universes could even collide or interact with each other, causing massive cosmic events like the Big Bang. Each of these theories offers a different version of the multiverse, but all of them suggest one mind-blowing idea, that our universe is not the only one out there. And somewhere, in one of these other universes, there could be another version of you, living a totally different life. So, let's get to the big question, are there infinite versions of you? If the multiverse theory is correct, then yes, there could be. In the many worlds interpretation, every decision you make splits the universe into different realities. In one universe, you might decide to go left, while in another, you go right. There could be a universe where you never took that job, never met that friend, or where you're living in a completely different country. It's not just about small choices either. There could be universes where the entire history of Earth unfolded differently. Maybe in one universe dinosaurs never went extinct or humans never evolved at all, and in others, Earth itself might not even exist. Of course, this raises all sorts of philosophical questions. If there are infinite versions of you, what makes you, well, you? Do all these versions share the same consciousness, or are they entirely separate individuals? These are the kinds of questions that scientists and philosophers are still debating. So, is there any proof that the multiverse exists? Well, here's the tricky part. Right now, we don't have any direct evidence of other universes. The multiverse theory is fascinating, but it's also extremely hard to test. Some scientists argue that certain anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, the radiation left over from the Big Bang, could be hints of collisions between our universe and others. Others think that future advancements in quantum physics might provide a way to prove or disprove the existence of parallel realities. For now, the multiverse remains a hypothesis. But as our understanding of the universe grows, we might one day find evidence that we're part of something much larger than we ever imagined. Whether or not the multiverse exists, the idea itself has huge implications. Philosophically, it forces us to reconsider what it means to be an individual. If there are infinite versions of you, what makes you unique? Are your decisions and actions really meaningful if every possible choice happens in some version of reality? It also raises questions about free will. In the many worlds interpretation, every choice you could possibly make is made in some universe. Does that mean our choices are predetermined, or are they still meaningful within our own version of reality? On a societal level, the multiverse theory could change how we think about life's big questions. It could shift our perspective on existence, leading us to wonder, if there are infinite versions of us, what's the purpose of this particular life? So, what if the multiverse is real? It's a mind-boggling thought, one that forces us to think about our place in the universe in entirely new ways. Maybe there are other versions of you out there, living different lives, making different choices, or maybe our universe is truly unique, the only one of its kind. For now, the multiverse remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Whether or not we ever find evidence of its existence, just considering the possibility expands our imagination and deepens our understanding of the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If this video blew your mind, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Don't Die Dumb for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. What do you think? Do you believe in the multiverse? Let us know in the comments. And as always, stay curious, stay informed, and don't die dumb.